It's me again. Was it like Megadeth? Hello, me. It's me again. It's me again with vice grips and locking pliers. Me and Uncle Si. He's not here, but my shirt's here. I used to watch a show ages ago, and I bought these shirts. They were selling the shirts at Sam's Club like years ago when it was big popular, and they had them all on sale for like $6 a shirt. So I bought like 10 of them, and they're slowly wearing out. And eventually, I won't have any more, and no more Uncle Si shirt. They were pretty funny though, I have to admit. Like, I don't agree with what everybody says, but sometimes humor is humor. So, but anyway, I'm going to show you some pliers because that's all I like to do on this channel. What do I got here? I got a little assortment here. These are BMC pliers. I like these ones. These are grip-ons. I should buy some more. They're made in Spain. And apparently Snap-on used to be. This is a Craftsman. See the little logo? That's a, I don't know, maybe 80s Craftsman. This one is an even older logo. See? The little like wings on there. This looks really old. It's been beat to hell. And this doesn't close. This one is a nice modern one, which I just bought, which is pretty damn boring. I'm guessing it's made in China from the new Chinese vice grip company, because the 10WR is a 10WR. See, look. Vice grip 10WR. Craftsman 10WR. Same thing. Only Craftsman's got bigger swabble in it. Swabble in the wobble. Let's see. Wobbly wobbly do. Plus, oh wait a minute. Yeah, don't forget this version of Irwin vice grip. So, yeah, what do you think? This is a 10WR also. Do we think the Chinese knockoff of this is being made for this? Who knows? So we got some other, it's the Irwin. At a Milwaukee. I like the Milwaukees. I like the little thing. Also, for some people, you can hang them on the wall. Very popular. Where'd my other little set go? Wait, we're missing one. We're missing one. The roof is on fire. Where did it go? Nobody knows. Where did it go? The little black ones. Well, anyway, I don't know where they are. So these grip-on ones, BMC ones, they're good if you want to really. I can't even see what I'm doing here. These grip-on ones are here if you want to really, like, see, nice little bite. I like using sheet metal or anything. Also, this is my favorite use for it. You're pulling out nails, put on the nail. See, it's got the round edge. Go. Works perfect. These are power grip ones. They look similar to some of these other ones. I got two Samson lever ones. I like these bullet things on the end here. The big knobs. Mosquitoes in here. Two of those. I haven't found another whale tool one yet. The Seymour Smith ones, like these. These are Seymour Smith, have the little, like, the jaws kind of wiggly jiggle in there. And if you look at the small ones here, these ones, the jaws, where are these? The wiggly jiggle in that one too. I don't know if you can see this. This is an old Mastercraft. It's from around here, old Canadian Tire Mastercraft brand. They're complete garbage. What else? Oh, this whale tool one has a really cool jaw. See, it has a. I've yet to find any of these anymore. I found one online. Whale Tool Corporation. I like it. It looks beefy. It actually looks some kind of a whale. Like it literally looks like a freaking whale. Samson Power Grip, BMC Grip-On, Craftsman. These, in case nobody knows, see, this says Vice Grip. This is a genuine Peterson Vice Grip. The original, made in USA. So it says Peterson Manufacturing Company, DeWitt, Nebraska, USA. The newer ones say a Vice Grip, say Irwin on it, and it says the original. The original are not made in China. They're made in USA. And I'm willing to bet that Milwaukee ones are made in the same factory that Vice Grips are made, because they seem like the same damn thing. The only difference is, look at the jaws on these things. Look pretty beefy. I like these though. I like the little spindle bajingi thing. I had a set of Proto ones somewhere. Let me pause this, see if I can find it. Well, I don't know where the Proto ones went, but I found another Craftsman with a different, thing. There's a, oh, it's a baby one too. Look, itty bitty titty one. This is a 45342. This is 45341. Oh, it was the same guy who owned it. Made in USA. They're actually pretty good. This one's got like a bent jaw in there. That's got kind of like a straight one. But maybe it's kind of bent. Yeah, they're kind of the same. I like them. They're pretty cool. So yeah, that's my extent of my collection at the moment. I still have 2 more coming in the mail. I can't find the Proto. I'm still searching a few more Proto ones, and when I see other name ones, I've seen a few other ones I'm gonna snipe off of line. And I'm still buying like the newer ones to see what the difference is. So yeah, that's just a sample of my little collection. Hope you like it. I will be getting more. So like, subscribe, jiggle your fingers over the keyboard, click the mouse, click the button. I think it's over here. Also, in the end of this video, there'll be a little circle right here and a little box somewhere you can click the next video. Thanks for watching. Toodles.